Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Xiaomi Mi True Wireless 2 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily do a hard reset on them. To do a hard reset on them, you have to at first place your both headphones in your case and then hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we can unpush our button, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.